go blonde with your natural hair. Well, I achieved this result and I'm super excited with what I got. So if you're interested in, you know, watching how I achieve this look, if you're interested in dyeing your hair blonde, this video is for you. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, before I jump into today's video, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about my natural hair. Okay, so I started my natural hair journey like let's say close to 2 years now. It's like a year and 7 months, but you know, I've not been bent on taking good care of it at all because I'm like one of the lazy ones out there. I'm so lazy when it comes to taking care of my natural hair, but I know I want to change, you know. Okay, so I just wanted a break in the application of chemicals, you know, relaxer on my hair, and I decided to just join the bandwagon, and basically like I'm here. So okay, so today's video I'm gonna be bleaching my hair and I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm not a pro, so guys, don't come for my hair though. I'm not a pro. I'm just doing what I feel is best for me and best for my natural hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead to detangle my natural hair to make sure that my hair is nice, smooth and fluffy. This can be frustrating, guys. I won't lie to you because it's so painful. If you know, you know. Natural hair is so painful. I'm even so proud of myself to even think about doing this in the first place, you know. Okay, so before starting, we want to be safe. We want to put on our gloves. You know, we have to protect ourselves, our skin from damages that can be caused from these chemicals I'm about to mix. So I'm going to be using this Coctel bleaching powder and the same brand, Coctel volume 30 developer, and I'm going to be mixing that into a toothpaste like consistency just to have that sticky consistency. I'm just going to mix it together, and you know, you can add as much as you want. This process is going to take a whole lot of bleaching powder, guys, a whole lot. So I'm just gonna start by sectioning my hair into different parts. This is just to help me have control over my hair, to make the whole process, you know, easy, because natural hair has a mind of its own, and sis can just deny me at any point. Oh and I'm trying to avoid that, you know. I'm just gonna start by applying the bleaching mixture, starting from the back of my hair. You know, I'm gonna start by applying it from the tip, from the end of the hair, working my way down gently, not to the root though, but I'm gonna be working my way down. And you know, I'm gonna start massaging it with my hand during the process, you know, to ensure even distribution of the product and to fasten the whole process. I'm also gonna start by, you know, patting the hair into different sections again and applying the bleach just to also ensure the even distribution of the product. Guys, as you can see, while I was even still on the second half of the hair, I wasn't even close to being done. You can see a change in color on the parts that I've touched, that I've worked on, which is like the bleach, the developer is so strong, and I wouldn't want to leave this on my hair for more than, it's not advisable to leave it on your hair for more than 45 minutes. So as soon as I'm done with applying this product on this part of my hair, I'm gonna wash it off right away. And finally, I'm done with the application of the bleach on my hair. It took forever, and it took so much bleach, guys, you don't even want to know. Like, I actually went like 3 times of the mixture I showed in this clip. So I'm gonna take my CANTU cream shampoo, and I'm gonna use that to wash off my hair. This shampoo is good. It helps to prevent breakage. It removes all the dirt. You know, I'm going to use it to remove all the bleaching powder and the bleaching mixture. So guys, you want to do this process gently. You want to massage your scalp gently, because shampoo strips your hair of its natural oil, guys. It reduces the natural oil in the scalp, and we're trying to avoid that. We don't want the hair to go all dried up, so we need to do this gently. After washing off the shampoo, I'm just gonna take my CANTU hydrating cream conditioner. I'm gonna apply a generous amount into my hair. Guys, this almost took all my conditioner. I applied so much, my hair was so dry at this point. Like, it took almost all my conditioner. I used so much. You don't even want to know. So after applying all the conditioner that this hair could take, I took my cling wrap. I'm going to wrap my hair all over. I'm just going to leave it in the wrap for like 45 minutes. This is just a way to like steam. And this is why I didn't go to the salon to do this bleaching and dyeing process, because I don't want to just sit at the salon wasting my time. I'd prefer to stay at home and do it so I can just, do other stuff at the same time. So this process helps to moisturize all the strands. It adds softness to my hair. It helps and repair damages done by the bleach, of course. So it provides moisture, it replaces all the vital oils I've lost during shampoo process. It eliminates dryness, it avoids breakage, it helps a lot. This is necessary. If you can't do this, please don't try this at home. If you don't have the time for this, don't try to bleach your hair at home at all. So guys, I got busy. I could not take off the wrap after 45 minutes. I think this is like 1 hour after or so. I'm just gonna take it off and comb through the hair with my white tooth comb before washing off the conditioner. So this is how my hair looks after washing off the conditioner. I'm just gonna take my CANTU leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna apply a generous amount into my hair. Just gonna keep applying. This hair is so dry, it keeps taking all the conditioner, and I don't mind. I want to nourish my hair, so I don't mind applying so much into the hair. I'm just gonna finger detangle my hair, running my fingers through the strands of my hair and also massaging it into my hair, massaging the conditioner into my hair. This is just to help blood circulation into my scalp to stimulate hair growth. I'm just gonna keep doing that until I'm satisfied. So at this point, I was already tired. It was late at night. So I'm just gonna take my hair by sections, big sections, guys. I'm just gonna start twisting the hair out, because you would not even try it, leaving your hair like this. You have to twist it out. This is just a way to protect your hair and to avoid damages. You need to twist out your hair. Never leave your hair out like this. And I'm just gonna let my hair sit in this conditioner for like 48 hours. I'm gonna let my hair, my strands, my scalp absorb all the nutrients it can get from this conditioner, because I need it at this point. So this is how my hair looks after 48 hours. It is so dry, even after I added so much leave-in conditioner. But anywho, let's just get right into dyeing the hair. I'm gonna take my cream of nature, lightest blonde. I'm gonna mix the developer and the toner. Don't mind me. I'm gonna mix the developer and the toner together. And don't forget to use your gloves, guys, because this can mess up your skin. It can mess up your nails, and you don't want that. So I'm just gonna section my hair into different parts, just like I did while I was bleaching my hair. And I'm gonna use my clip to clip it down because I want total control over my hair. And I'm just gonna jump right into dyeing the hair. It's that easy. Using the same technique that I used while I was bleaching my hair, I'm just going to start from the ends of my hair and work my way down. This took so much of my time, but I don't want to waste you guys' time. I really don't know how I'm going to shorten this video. I'm sure you guys would like to see how I apply this, but just bear with me, please. Finally, this is how my hair looks after washing off the dye. I used my CANTU shampoo and conditioner. I moisturized, I softened the hair. I tried my best, to just bring in moisture into my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead to detangle my hair, and I'm also gonna start applying the essential ingredients of the day. I have my CANTU, shea butter, tea tree, and jojoba oil. I have my natural shea butter in the solid form, and I also have my leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with my CANTU shea butter, tea tree, and jojoba hair and scalp oil. The name is so long. Okay, it says it helps protect against breakage, it conditions your scalp, it encourages growth. I'm so glad I got the right product because I actually need all this in my hair. But guys, let me know whichever product you're using for your natural hair. This is for my natural hair sisters. Please let me know, put me on, put a sister on. I would really appreciate it. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it into my scalp, and that's it. The shea butter I'm going to use today is the unrefined one. It's in its natural state. My mom got it for me. Thanks to her, it helps to moisturize my dry scalp. It reduces flakiness. I'm just going to apply it on my scalp. I'm going to apply it all over my hair. So going in with my lock and twist gel, I'm going to use this to twist my hair and lock in my twist. Now it's time to pamper my hair, cause girl, I didn't come all this way to lose all those products I applied in pillow fighting in my dreams. Don't mind me. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead to use my bonnet to avoid friction between the hair and my pillowcase whenever I'm sleeping, cause this can lead to hair shedding. And that's it for my natural hair bleaching and dyeing procedure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.